All right, I know you guys all watch some reality shows. Shows people's wives with the sledgehammer breaking down walls. Well, they don't get on the roof. This is reality right here. Don't get no more real than this. I'm gonna hit up on my roof. See if it's time to replace it. Up on the roof we go. Oh my God! Look at that roof. There you are on the roof. How many wives come up on the roof? All right, ready? We're gonna snap some lines because I'm putting this roof on straight today. I don't trust my eyes. All right, you ready?
Yeah, can we do this?
Yes. Hang on. I hope I'm a good helper.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll get you some more shingles.
Okay.
Jacob, we're almost done. Doing good, man. Bam! Good job, Jacob. We did it, buddy. We did it.